Hey folks, this is Russ Jones here. I'm excited to show off to you some brand new features in AuthorRank Pro. Importantly, how we tie into OutreachApp using their brand new API. OutreachApp is another Verate tool that allows you to reach out to webmasters easily. And in this case, we've integrated it with AuthorRank Pro so that the Opportunities tab is now far more valuable. Let me show you exactly how it works. First, you sign in as always. Now you have to have a paid account to be able to use the Opportunities tab. So I'm going to look through the opportunities by name. Now if you remember, the Opportunities section is a listing of domains in which authorship has been assigned to some of the users in our database. Right now it's sorted by the number of contributors. So business2community.com has a huge number of contributors. Search Engine Journal has a huge number of contributors. And that number of contributors happens to give you an idea of whether or not they'll be likely to allow you to post on their site. That is to say, whether they're open to whether that's guest post or some other kind of content authorship opportunity. So we're going to search for social opportunities, websites with the keyword social in them. Immediately we come back with a whole bunch of opportunities. Now, if you remember, we actually give you contact information. So right now, if you wanted to reach out to social media today, we have email addresses here. So you can actually do it in our system, but you would actually then have to send mail directly from your mail account, and it doesn't go in any kind of CRM or anything of that sort, which is where OutreachApp kicks in. Now, you've always been able to export to CSV all of the data, but now you can export directly to OutreachApp. Let me show you how that works. You click on it and automatically it generates a CSV file of all of the URLs that matched your search. Then you just log into your OutreachApp account. And then you name the campaign. I'm going to do this social outreach. And there we go. We now have a social outreach campaign, and it is populated with the list of all of the links that came. Now, of course, we have to wait a little while for it to populate with the contact information, but then we'll be able to send emails and outreach to them directly, as you always do with OutreachApp. So this is just one of the ways that OutreachApp can be integrated with nearly any prospector out there, but the first integration that we have now is with AuthorRank Pro so that you can find better authorship opportunities. Hope you guys find this useful, and we'll keep innovating.